Happy birthday, Tita Anavi. Tatanda ka na. Palibre naman. Joke lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung masasabi ko, pero all the best wishes to come lang. Tas, ano na yung Doc Martens ko? Kamusta na? Haha, joke lang. Pero happy birthday. Bye!
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Navi. Thank you for everything. Thank you for giving us the things that we need. And I wish you everything. And I hope you and Martin, Tito Junjun, will have happy and fulfilling lives. Once again, happy birthday and thank you so much.
Hi, B.
Hi, Tanavi.
Happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday, B. Wishing you good health and long life. Thank you for sharing your blessings with us. We're so lucky to have you in our lives. And enjoy your day, and you deserve it. Enjoy your day. Bye. Love
Happy
you.
birthday, Tanavi. Thank you so much for your love and thoughtful gifts. Wishing you more blessings, good health, and happiness on your birthday. Thank you. I love you, Tanavi.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Anabi. Chuchay, pag-chuchay mo ka na rin. Happy birthday, Anabi.
Si Bintong makumpa.
Your look alike, Chuchay. Happy birthday, Anabi. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Anabi. Takay! Salamat sa imong mahatag. Enjoy ka na adlaw. Happy birthday. Haha.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday at Takray! Happy birthday, Takray! Happy birthday from Bentong and Chuchay! Happy birthday, Anavi! Take good care of your health. Pagpa-check up naman, day, ay pag-ura-ura pagtrabaho. Okay? Regards to everybody. And again, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. You're already 50 years old, but you look like 30 years old. Thank you for everything. May God bless you a lot. May God keep you always safe with your family. Thank you for your generosity. And just na lang bahala nagbalas sa inyo. We love you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday, Annabelle. You're already 50 years old, but you look like a 30 years old. Thank you so much, everything. May the good Lord bless, keep you always safe and your family. Thank you for your generosity. Ang Diyos na lang bahala magbala sa iyo. I love you so much, Annabelle. Bye.